most food truck owners know they need to market their business properly. Most food truck owners don't do it because they just don't have the time. However, you can use AI tools like this simple one here I've got on the screen in order to get your marketing done, grow your business, run your business in a fraction of a time. And what that's going to allow you to do is get better results. So in this series of videos, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can use AI within your food truck business. This tool here is a menu design assistant. We've built this using very, very simple AI tools. And if you're interested in us showing you how to use ChatGPT specifically, just go down to the comments and put ChatGPT, and we'll do some training for you on that. But all you have to do with this tool is click the link, and I'll tell you where you can get the link in a second. And this will help you design your menu. So when you've written your menu, we've got a new item you want to put up. You obviously know the name of it, but trying to write a catchy description can take a little bit of time. So what we've done is we've created this little tool for you to use completely for free, and you can actually write out your menu. So whether you want to improve your menu or whether you're adding a new item, this is perfect for you. So let's say that we've got beef tacos. Let's say that we have got something specific that we want to market. So a homemade hot sauce that goes on top of it. And then for localization, we want to say exactly where we are based, because that's going to help really connect with the community and make people feel like this is written for them. So as you can see, you need to put in the menu item, but the others are completely optional. So we go down here. Let's go for somewhere like Austin, Texas. And then all you need to do is hit submit. And this is going to then write out your description of your menu item for you. Okay, and as you can see, I've hit submit, and this is what it's given me. So it's just given me a summary of the information I put in. And now we have our description. So it says, savor the bold, irresistible flavor of our authentic beef tacos crafted with love right here in Austin. Each taco is loaded with succulent seasoned beef, perfectly complemented by our zesty homemade hot sauce that adds just the right kick. Topped with vibrant, fresh ingredients, these tacos are fiesta for your taste buds. Perfect for any time of the day. Come grab a taste of Austin taco culture and elevate your street food experience. Now, I don't know about you, but that would take me quite a while to write. Whereas with this tool, all I had to do was fill in these 3 fields at the beginning. You can put in more ingredients if you want to just list out all the ingredients you want to feature. You could have 3, 4, 5 of them in there. But if you've got the full name of the menu item, if you're in a different location, change it up, and it's going to write something for you. And even if you want to change it, that's fine, but it's going to do 95% of the job for you. So if you want to use this, all I ask you do is just go down to the comments and type food truck. If you do that, then that's going to really help us with the channel because it shows engagement. And what we'll do is I'll cut and paste and send you the link to this tool so you can have a go at it completely for free. Also, if you would like us to show you something specific, if there's a problem you would like to solve with AI, then tell us what that is in the comments. If we can build a tool like this, we'll send it to you. If we can write a prompt for you that you can use in ChatGPT, we will, and we'll send it to you. So don't be shy. Let us know what you need help with within your business. And if we can use an AI tool to solve that, then we want to help you out. We'll see you in the next one.